So the part that the frame that come out of here, that has the studs for carrying the radiator. So we're just going to clean that up. But you can see there's the broken stud. But we should be able to get on the back of that there, maybe a bit of heat or a bit of oil. So we're going to clean it up there, run a dye down all the nuts and bolts and run a tap into any holes in it, and clean that fella up, get that ready for refitting. Right, so that's the back of the broken stud. I'm just cleaning up here, get it ready for a bit of paint. And here's the front end of it. I reckon with a little bit of WD it should move. That's the plan anyway. So where's the WD? Right. Yeah. Over this fella. I'd say if you got a voice grips on that, she should come through. We'll find out now. If I was a voice grips, where would I be? Paper red. Good. Right, I'm sight of that. So we're just going right onto the stud. And see how that'll do it. So see if she moves. Yeah, there she goes. Easy, isn't it? So we've a new one of these orders. Somewhere, where'd you order them? In Poland, was it? These bolts?
Oh yeah, they're on the way.
On the way. Germany. Deutschland. Mm. There you go. Take a look at this little beauty. So that's just one of the three. There's three of these holding on the rad. So we have the other two, and that's this one out. And it's just smart. We just want to clean up this chassis leg. Good stuff. See what we started with the fire first and the fire pipe and this pipe. So the rubbing down is progressing.
It doesn't look too bad.
And a few bits ready. That's a spray build. We just press on. So after lots of heat, and finally got this thing loose. The shoulders have gone off the bolt against the vice grips. After much smoke, flames and heat, she's moving now. Yep. And that's that. And the pro is now rubbing down the chassis. It's a good few hours in it, all the same.
That bolt.
Yeah, that came out easy, didn't it?
Yeah, no, it's rusty. It's still.
You can put it back in.
I think we replaced that one.
And Christmas trees decorations. These are all the engine mounts and brackets now. Get them all rubbed down. In preparation for going back in some stage in 2025, we hope. So we decided to get all that chassis work and all that done first before we tackle the engine. Going it a few hours today. Leave the engine for another day when we have a full day's run with it. Plus we've done a bit of research on engine timing and stuff like that. So slow progress. Yeah, a little bit smoky here, but the exhaust is nearly out. We're back on oily cam. In there I can reef it out. So we got the clip off, and then we got some heat on it, then we got some WD on it. Yeah. And after 14 seconds, just fucked that other exhaust on the ground there, right?
She's off.
That was grand, wasn't it?
Yeah, handy.
That was easy.
Handy. A bit of cleaning up there to be done.
Yeah.
It's not bad exhaust.
It's not, it's good. It's good. You get the silver out of that, it could be fine. And here's the other one.
Yeah.
Somebody painted it there at one stage, didn't
That
they?
was probably me. Tipped off it. Stopped the rust.
Don't admit to that, I blame somebody
Don't
else.
do.
You have to blame somebody else. Yeah, turn the other side. The other side's not bad. Like we can do something with that. And, this side is okay. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Get the silvo out. You'd be surprised how well she'll come up.